In front of me is POCO C55, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permission. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Privacy Protection. Then tap on All Permissions and select one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like location. Finally, just click on one of your apps, in my case Opera, and apply the best option for you by clicking on it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my Opera just gained access to this device's location if I'm using this browser. You can also select any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage. Now, instead of selecting one of the available options, scroll all the way down and tap on See All Permissions. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!